Thanks for visiting LocalBuzzmaster.com, the place where business owners come to enhance their business online. I'm Brian McMahon, founder of Local Buzzmaster, located right here in the suburbs of Chicago. If you're a local business owner, you've come to the right place to learn how to market your business on the internet. Today's successful business owners are using the internet as a vital tool to dramatically increase traffic to their businesses. By exposing your company on the internet, you can overtake what was once your competition. You see, in today's challenging economy, it's important that you don't stick to the old-fashioned methods of marketing, such as pages, waiting for word-of-mouth leads to finally come through. You just can't rely on that anymore. The world has turned to the internet, and so have local consumers. It's important that your business is there. See, at Local Buzzmaster, that's our expertise. We can get you there and dramatically enhance your image while we're at it. How do we do that, you ask? Great question. Let us show you how our team can create your company a downright unfair advantage over other local businesses. Want your company to be online in 30 days? You're almost there. Watch the video below and we'll show you in detail how our team works for you. Success really does happen online, and that's where you need to be.